Hello everyone, this is Priyansa Chhabra, Assistant Professor of Series Gandhi. Today we'll discuss unit symptoms. So let's see deficiency symptoms of potassium. Potassium, the plant root absorb potassium as a potassium ions. Its a concentration in healthy plants tissue varies from 1% to 5%. Is which is a more or less equal to that nitrogen. Potassium is a unique element in the sense that plants can accumulate it in abundant amount without exhibiting the toxicity symptoms. This behavior has been described as the luxury conjunctions. It also plays a regulatory role in plant metabolism and development, but not a components of. So next one is function of potassium. While potassium is not a part of a chemical structure of a plant, it is required for a numerous plant growth process as it plays a major role in catalyzing activity of more than 60 enzymes. As ladies, as catalog in a better crops major function listed are as potassium activates a large number of enzymes numbering more than a 60% by way of exposing the active reaction sites, promoting among them it star synthesis. Under high potassium levels, starch moves efficiently from a site of the production of storage. Potassium is responsible for the activation and synthesis of a protein forming a nitrate cast enzyme. When a plant are the deficient in a potassium, protein are not synthesized. Despite the abundance of the available nitrogen, enlist the protein raw materials such as the amino acid and amides and nitrate accumulated. Second one is the role of potassium in the ATP production of the regulating the rate of the photosynthesis. Uh, Photosynthesis relegates its stomal activity related function to the second position. When a plant are the K deficient, the rate of the photosynthesis and the rate of the ATP productions are reduced as the consequence. All the ATP depend process tend to a slowdown. Third one is it regulates the opening and the closing of the stoma. The pores through which leaves exchange a carbon dioxide, water vapor, and oxygen with the atmosphere, resulting uh, K supply controls the photosynthesis, water and nutrient transport, and plant cooling maintains sugar and reduce the water loss and the wilting. Fourth one is in a conjugation with the specific enzymes and the plant growth hormones. Potassium plays a major role for the transport of the water water and the nutrient throughout the plant in the xylem and phloem, xylem, and the transport of the photosynthesis through the phloem to other plants of the plant for the utilization and storage. Under a reduced potassium supply, translocations of a nitrate and phosphate and calcium, magnesium, and amino acid is hampered. It increases root growth and improves the tolerance. Accumulation of potassium in plant roots produce a gradient osmotic pressure that draws the potassium neutralize various organic ions and other compounds within the plants, helping stabilize the pH between a 7 to 8, optimum of more time reactions. Some significant role in enhance crop quality. High level of available potassium improves the physical quality, disease resistance, and shelf life of a fruits and vegetables, and value of the grain and the crop. Fiber quality of a cotton. It reduce logging of the crops and enhance their winter hardness. Now, deficiency symptoms of potassium. So, deficiency symptoms of potassium develop first on the older leaf. Corollis along the leaf margin is followed by the acrosing and the browning of tip of the older leaves, which gradually progress inward. In addition, under K deficiency is slow and the stunted growth of the plants occurs. The plants loggage and rather easily. Potassium deficiency seeds and fruits are the shrived. Calcium, among all the nutrient, calcium is the most abundant in the plant available from plant roots. Absorb this secondary nutrient of as a calcium ions. It contains calcium sufficient plant range between a 0.2% to 1%. Calcium could easy be termed as the reclamation nutrient as it sulfate salt, gypsum. It is used for reclamation for the sodic soil as and the oxide and hydroxide and carbonate salt are used for the counteracting soil acidity. This salt improve calcium supplies to plants in addition to overcoming the adverse soil-related constant posed by the excess of pH, hydrogen, aluminum, and sodium ions. Functions of calcium, first one is as a calcium pactate. It is constituent of the cell wall. It maintains the energy of the cell membranes. It facilitates the growth and the meristem and the functioning of the root tips. It protects to the root cell against ion imbalance and low pH and toxic ions like aluminum. It neutralizes the charge on the acidic molecules of the phosphoric acid and the organic acid like citric acid and malic acid, oxalic acid. etc., which as the dissociated with acid molecules are the injurious to plant growth. It plays a role in a cell division, mitosis, and helps the maintain the chromosome structure. It favors the asym- is it favor the assimilations of the nitrogen into a organic constituent, especially protein. High supply of the calcium may be request for making a symbiotic leguminous plant susceptible to infection by a rhizobium. It activates the activates phosphorylates, organic kinases, amylase, and ATP enzymes. Deficiency symptoms usually plant having a calcium content than less than a zero point 0.1 or a 1000 ppm are regarded as a calcium deficiency. Calcium is immobile in the plant, and hence deficiency symptoms appear on the younger structure. Field scale occurrence of the calcium deficiency is seldom encountered in the almost all the plant species. The first symptoms of the calcium deficiency appears and the chlorosis on on the younger leaves and younger leaves under the calcium deficiency root system is stunned. Young leaves or the often distorted, small, and the abnormal green. The calcium deficient leaves becomes a cup shape, and crinkled, and the terminal buds destroyed with the some breakdown of the petioles. Other symptoms include the terminal buds and the weakening of the stem structure. Blooms, and rot. It is in a tomatoes, and the bitter pites and apples are the typical calcium deficiency symptoms. In wheat and barley, upper parts of the young leaves fall and unroll appear. Now magnesium. Magnesium plant absorb a magnesium as a magnesium ions. Normally, healthy plants contain a zero point 0.1 to 0.4%. Magnesium is their tissues being located in the heart of the chlorophyll second molecule. It plays a critical role in the plant growth and development. Function. Magnesium is a constituent of the chlorophyll second as the magnesium propyrene with one atoms of the magnesium bound of four pyrrole rings. Role of magnesium being coordinating ions in the chlorophyll second molecule was discovered by the Richard and Wilster, who received the Nobel Prize in chemistry in 1915 for the purification and structure of a chlorophyll second. And magnesium is the powerhouse behind the photosynthesis in the plant. Without a magnesium, chlorophyll second cannot capture sun and energy that is needed for the photosynthesis to occur, and the reaction like 6 Cu2 plus 6 H2O reaction 6 C6H12O6 plus 6 O2 can't be derived to completed. In short, magnesium is required to give the leaves their green color. ATP, the main source of energy in cell, must be bound to magnesium ions in order to be biologically active. What is called ATP is often actually magnesium ATP. It actives many critical enzymes, including ribobiphosphate and carboxylic and phenolpyruvate and carboxylate, both having a role difficult both having a role in a carbon fixation. Lower amounts of the magnesium lead to a decrease in a photosynthetic and enzymatic activity within the plant. It is an essential constituent of the polyribosome, the key uh, organelle concentrate in the protein synthesis. Magnesium is also crucial in stabilizing a rhizosome structure. Hence, the lack of a magnesium causes dipolymerization of the ribosome, leading to a premature aging of the plant. It promotes uptake, the translocation of phosphorus, and movement of sugars with the plants. Deficiency symptoms of magnesium. Magnesium is a mobile within the plants. Deficiency symptoms of the appear first on the lower leaves. The magnesium deficiency plants usually have a less than 0.1% magnesium. Magnesium deficiency symptoms in manifest time wells in the terms of the intervenal chlorosis and the strict or patchy effect on the older leaves. In many species, a shortage of the magnesium result in winter vanals in a final stage and the curve upward margin under acute deficiency, and the affected leaf tissues dry up and may even die. In more advanced stage, the leaf tissue becomes a uniformly pale yellow, then a brown and necrotic. In a cotton, the low leaves may develop a reddish purple cast, gradually turning brown and finally necrotic. Intervanal chlorosis with the tints of a red, orange, and purple color are typically magnesium deficiency symptoms. In some of the vegetable crops, uh, vegetable crops, grass tendency in the magnesium deficiency related the nutritional disorder common in the cattle grazing on the magnesium deficiency pasture will fertilized with potassium. Sulfur. Sulfur is absorbed by the plant as the sulfur ions. Some reports indicate the sulfur could also be absorbed by the foliage as sulfur dioxide, like a phosphorus and magnesium. The concentration of sulfur in a healthy plant range from zero point 0.1 to 0.4. In views of the large field scale, the occurrence of the deficiency in area. Sulfur has been described as the fourth major nutrient after NPK, particularly on well-drained upland under the oilseed-based and cropping system because of the role played in a crop quality. Sulfur also refers to the quality element functions of sulfur is a constituent of sulfur connecting amino acids like cysteine, and two molecules of the cysteine on. and methoine. The the thiol side chain is cysteine often participate in an enzyme reaction, serving as a nucleophile. The thiol is susceptible to oxidation to due to the disulfide the reactive cysteine and the plays and the important structural role in the many proteins. All nitrogenous have iron and a sulfur connecting cofactor that includes an iron sulfur cluster at the active site. It most of the protein this iron sulfur also contain molybdenum as the constituent of the pyridoxine connecting nitrogenous sulfur takes part in the biological nitrogen fixation and the other electron transfer reaction. Several biological active compounds like vitamins, thymines, and biotin, lipoic acid, and acetyl coenzymes, and contain sulfur as an essential part. Acetyl coenzymes conveys the carbon atoms within the acetyl group or to the citric acid cycle to be oxidized for energy production. It is involved in the synthesis of the glucosides in a mustard oil. It plays a major role in the improving oil quality in oil crops. Deficiency symptoms. Deficiency symptoms. Depending upon the crop plants having a less than a 0.1 to 0.2 sulfur content suffer from a sulfur deficiency. Crop plant having a nitrogen sulfur ratio more than 16 to 1% also can be suspected to be a deficient in the sulfur. Sulfur deficiencies first appear on the younger growth as a sulfur in immobile in a plant. The fading of the normal green color of younger leaves followed by the chlorosis in the most common deficiency symptoms. In the brassicas which are more susceptible to sulfur deficiency, the lamina is restricted leaves flow so cupping owing to the curling of the leaf margins and the arresting of the growing points. The older leaves become pugged with the inward raised areas between the veins. The older foliage develops orange and reddish tints and may shed prematurely. Chlorine is absorbed. Chlorine is absorbed as a chlorine ions by a plant. Chloride content in the healthy plants varies from 100 to 500 mg kg per inverse. Because of its large abundance in air, its accretion through the large number of fertilizer carries like muriate of potash and aminochloride. Incidents of its deficiencies have not been reported in India. Function: chlorine plays a major role in osmoregulation, cell in a and stoma opening and charge combinations in a higher plants. It is essential in a photosynthesis where it is involved in the evolutions of oxygen. It acts as a cofactor in a magnesium connecting water splitting enzyme of photosynthesis. And Venison these in coconut. Plum take all common root knot in a wheat and common root knot and the root knot stalk in a corn and stem root and the seth blight in a rice. Hollow heart is brown center in a potatoes and fusarium yellow in a clearly and downy mildews in the millets. The chlorine supply improves the nutritional quality of a vegetable and preferentially lowering the nitrate and nitrogen content in tissues. Deficiency symptoms: plants having a less than 100 gram chlorine kg per inverse dam are usually designated as a deficient and deficiency symptoms of a chlorine that includes wilting of leaves and curling, leaf felt and the chlorosis and similar to that magnesium deficiency. Iron is a take of the ferrous iron by a plant. It's a concentration in the range of 100 to 500 milligram kg per inverse gram in a mature leaf tissues regarded sufficient for optimum crop production. Being a transition metal, it exhibits two oxidation state. Iron second and iron third in a plant and the form of complex with organic ligands. Variable valency of iron assigned it a role in the biological redox system. Biological redox. Function: iron is the constituents of two groups of a protein like hemoprotein connecting iron and porphyrin complex as a porostatic groups. Cytochrome oxidase catalyze pyroxide. Lega hemoglobin and iron sulfur protein within in which iron is a coordinate to the thiol groups of cysteine and the inorganic of sulfur. It actives a number of the enzymes and including amino volanic and the synthesis and the copper and the copper ringon oxides. It plays an essential role in the nucleic acid metabolism. It is necessary for synthesis and maintenance of chlorophyll second in plant. Deficiencies plants have less than 50 uh, less gram iron per inverse. Usually classified as a iron deficiency, it has been established that the iron content of the plant rather than that the total iron content resolves iron deficiency better than 30 ppm. Iron being a critical level of iron deficiency of iron results in worse appear first on the younger leaves, with the leaf margins and the veins remaining green. Under conditions of the surface deficiency growth, creations occurs with the whole plants turning necrotic. Boron is absorbed by the plants mainly as boric acid. However, it can also be absorbed in the some of the its ionic form, dihydrogen borate and the monohydrogen borate. The borate ions under a high pH condition. Normal boron sufficient plant have a boron content range from a 10 to 200 milligram kg per inverse. Boron is neither a constituent of the enzyme nor it activates any of enzymes. Boron boric acid forms a stable complex which with organic compounds with Kisdol configurations. Function boron is responsible for the cell wall formation and stabilization and lignifications and the xylem differentiation. As the consequence of boron deficiency causes a change in the chemical composition and the ultrastructure of the cell wall and accumulation of toxic phenol inhibitors of the lignin synthesis and decrease in the production of the indole acetic acid. Decrease in indole acetic acid is responsible for the indication of the calcium deficiency. Boron is involved in the plant in the movement of the calcium into the plant and the normal calcium nutrition in the plant. For example, hollow hearts in the groundnut can occur when storage of the boron limits calcium movement and normal cell wall development and the cell division. It is essential in the actively growing region of plants such as the root tips and in a new leaves bud development. It ensure a healthy plant storage tissues and the conductive tissues for the transport of water nutrients and organic compounds include sugar to actively growing protein in plants. It is also essential for the providing a sugar which are needed for a root growth in all plants and also for a normal development of root nodulations of legumes such as alfalfa, soybean, and peanuts. It increases flower production and retention of pollen tube analogous and the germination and seed and fruit development. It imparts a draw tolerance to the crops. Regular boric acid spray help in the mitigating harmful effect of drought. It plays a role in a pollen germination and the pollen tube growth. It facilitates iron uptake by way of increasing the activities of the plasma membrane bonded uh, hydrogen ATPases. It facilitates a transport of the potassium is guard cell well as a stomal stomata uh, opening. Deficiency symptom plant having a boron concentration of the order of a 5 to 30 milligram kg per inverse are suspected to be a boron deficiency. Critical deficiency range of boron varies from 5 to 10 milligram per kg in germinaceous plant to a 10 to kg in the uh, dicotyledons plants are boron deficiency symptoms becomes a contributions on the terminal buds on the youngest leaf, which becomes decolored and may die under the acute conditions of a boron deficiency. Internodals becomes a shorter and the give appearance of the bushy and the roties appearance. Boron deficiency symptoms appears as a thickened and wilted and the curled leaf, thickened and cracked or water-soaked condition or the petioid and stems and decolorations, cracking, rotting of flutes, tubes and roots and internal crop of apple is uh, caused in the citrus fruit in uneven thickness of the pale and lumpy fruits and gummy deposits result. The breakdown of internal tissues in roots crops appears as darkened areas and refers as a brown heart, black heart, and increased diameter of stem and the petioid gives rise to a typical cracked stem and curlier. Hard root of typical names are given a boron deficiency, different crops, hard root in sugar beets and mangolds, browning or a hollow stem and cauliflower, top thickness of tobacco and internal crop of apple and cracked stem of cherry. Magnesium is absorbed by the plant. Magnesium ions, healthy magnesium sufficient mature plants contain 20 to 300 milligram magnesium kg inverse dam. Magnesium is a transition metal is present in the plant in the magnesium second from but easily oxidizable to magnesium third and a magnesium fourth form because of it is a variable redox status It plays an important role in the photosynthesis and detoxifications of superoxide free radicals. Magnesium can substitute for magnesium in a many of the group transfer the magnesium can a substitution for a magnesium in many of the groups transfer for the phosphophylorite reactions. Function of manganese. Manganese active a variety of enzymes concentration in a cellular oxidation and reduction. Uh, Hydrolysis, group transfer, and joining together the two molecules coupled with the breakdown of phosphate bonds in a ATP reaction. Being an integral components of the water splitting enzymes associated with the photosystem second in catalyze of a biochemical reaction of the water oxidation. Because of his magnesium deficiency is associated with the adverse effect on the photosynthesis and the oxygen evolutions. It is a consequence of the superoxides dismutase magnesium SOD, which being present in the mitochondria, pyroxene in the glycosome protect cell agent and the deleterious agents the deleterious effect of the superoxide free radicals. Being a constitute of a nitrate reduced and the hydroxide reduced enzyme magnesium is linked with the nitrogen in the plant. Manganese as a role is a tricarboxylic acid TCA in a oxyactive and a non-oxyactive carboxylate reaction like nicotine diamide and NADA. Malic enzyme and catalyze the reaction. Malic react with NDAP and react with pyruvate and the NDAP pH. Hmm. ये वाला मेरा 44 मिनट का बाकी लोग कहाँ हैं 44 मिनट का हुआ ये वाला मेरा घर में जाके तो मुझे बहुत सारा काम आप घर में जाके वीडियो बनाते हो हैं नहीं बना No.